What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is about the Google Pixel 4a 5G and the Google Pixel 5. We're going to see some side-by-side specs of both these phones, just in case you're curious about getting one over the other. And they're going to be announced on, both of them will be announced on September 30th. So here's the side-by-side specs. There's not a huge amount of difference, but they'll both have Android 11. Display, they have a little bit of a difference. One will have a 6-inch screen, one will have a 6.2-inch display. Both have OLED displays. Gorilla Glass 6 on the Pixel 5, Gorilla Glass 3 on the 4a 5G. 8 gigs of RAM on the 5, 6 gigabytes of RAM on the 4a 5G. Same processor, same graphics, same cameras, same sensors, same links in terms of radios and things inside, same SIM cards, same satellites. Audio is a little bit different. You're going to get stereo speakers on both, but 3 microphones on the 5, 2 microphones on the 4a 5G. The 4a 5G also has a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, whereas the 5 does not. It just has USB-C that you can use for headphones. And then the casing is 100% recycled aluminum, IP68 on the 5. You only get polycarbonate on the 4a 5G, so no water resistance on there. Battery is a little bit bigger. On the 5, you also get reverse wireless charging on, and wireless charging on the 5. And then other than that, again, just very, very similar phones overall. Here's the Pixel 5. It's going to come in at least black and green. The green's kind of cool. Looks almost army-ish green. I haven't seen this color a lot in phones, so it'll be a welcome addition to the lineup. And prices for both of these phones should be super competitive with the market. Google, it looks like officially, and I've said it before, is going to be in that mid-tier to low-tier price ranking with solid phones. And a lot of people that have the 4a. I have the 4a. It is, I don't know where it is right now. I think this is it. Is this it? This is it right here. It's a great phone for somebody that just wants to take really good photos, decent videos, phone calls, watch some videos. It's a nice little phone to get. Next story of the day is all about Chromecast with Google TV built into it. This again will be another product that is announced on September 30th. But guess what? Local Walmarts actually have this phone in stock. I know one Walmart near me in San Diego has it in stock. Basically what you do is click the link in the description down below, put in the UPC code that I put next to the link, and hit search with your zip code, and it'll bring up any Walmarts locally that have this for you. And what this is, it's a Chromecast, but it also has, you'll get a remote that allows you to control this so you can watch media on it and not just cast information and videos to it from your phone. You can literally watch stuff directly on it. Very, very cool. It's only $50, and it's gonna obviously compete with the Fire TV Stick. Let me know if you're gonna pick one of these up early or gonna wait. Let me know. And the last story of the day, the Galaxy S20 FE, aka Fan Edition, was announced yesterday, and it's already on sale on Amazon. Still up for pre-order, $100 less. Only instead of $699, it's $599, and you can basically get any color that you want. Again, currently on Amazon. I'll link it down below if you've been thinking about picking this up. 128 gigs of storage. You also get 30x space zoom, night mode, any color that you want that's available on here. 6 gigabytes of RAM, S20 5G cameras in there. It's a very, very nice phone. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to new videos every single day. My question out to you guys is, what's the best $600 or less phone that you can get right now? Let me know in the comments down below. I think for $600, I mean, that S20 FE is pretty nice. When you get into the lower rankings, I think this is a great, great phone. The Pixel 4a right now. The iPhone, what is it? The SE2, that's a really, really nice phone. TCL has some nice phones as well. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. See you down the road.